Extreme jobs, extreme looks. Look at these people. Why do you think they look like this? They are wearing costumes for their jobs. It is quite common to dress up to earn a living, especially in the world of entertainment. Some people go to extreme lengths to look like the characters they play. Christina Clarkson is not an ordinary actress. She works in the theatre, but in her spare time she does another job. She is a living statue. She stands as still as possible, just like a statue in a busy street. It takes about 90 minutes for Christina to cover her skin with body paint to become a living statue. She needs to be quite fit to stand in the same position for so long. Joe Atkins is a theme park mascot. When he arrives at work, he goes to the dressing room to change into his work clothes. He hasn't got an ordinary work uniform though. Joe dresses up as the Disney character Pluto. He has to wear this furry outfit and heavy mask for 8 hours every day. Joe enjoys working at Disney World in Florida. He can't speak to the visitors, but he's got to be friendly and funny with his body movements. That means he has to be good at mime. Theme park mascots are always posing for photographs. Children love to get a photo with Mickey Mouse, Pluto, and all the other Disney characters in the park. Would you like to dress up in a costume at work? Which of these jobs looks the most fun to you?